Industry 5.0 emphasizes the collaboration between humans and machines to achieve higher levels of productivity, customization, and flexibility. Manufacturers need to adopt a human-centric approach, where technology complements human skills rather than replacing them entirely. So manufacturers must invest in training and upscaling their workforce to operate and maintain advanced technologies such as robotics, AI, and IoT. This leads to a higher demand in soft skills on the operators as well, such as problem solving, critical thinking, and adaptability, which is crucial in navigating this evolving manufacturing landscape. So the transition to Industry 5.0 presents an opportunity for manufacturers to prioritize sustainability and ethical considerations in their operations. The collaboration between the manufacturers, the government agencies, academia, and other important stakeholders is essential in driving the transition to Industry 5.0. So there's a need for sharing these best practices, fostering innovation, and addressing regulatory challenges collectively, which can accelerate the adoption of advanced manufacturing technologies and ensure a smooth transition to the next industrial revolution.
Okay, manufacturing plays a crucial role in this transition. There is a need of transformation of the internal processes, mainly manufacturing processes, and how the workforce is involved in these different processes. So the need and what is foreseen in this transition is to empower the workforce, giving them tools that are already in place with the Industry 4.0 paradigm, but empowering them with more information and more contribution to value-added processes and value-added products. So different technologies like artificial intelligence, decision shuttle system, knowledge management are a key factor for this transition, for this revolution. And with this kind of goal, the role of the workforce is increasing, and also the importance and, let's say, the satisfaction of the workforce will be higher than before. So the path is to involve them in more added value and satisfying activities.